Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I want to talk about the difference between being a productive agency owner versus the scalability of it, right? So as you guys have seen over the past month and a half, I've been posting a ton more on here, going on to LinkedIn, posting every day on YouTube. Right now, I literally have over 50 videos and I'm just posting consistently. And the thing that will separate you from just being an agency and a personal brand is by simply selling yourself, not the agency. So people are more willing to buy from you when you're a person. We get this notion that our company logo has to be cool, our company has to have a good message and our mission statement, all this bullshit that no one cares about. People do not come to me because of Wojo Media. People come to me because I'm Jason Wojo, okay? I put out content, I'm transparent. People coming on me with my journey and following me and seeing what I'm up to and seeing all the little, points and tips and, tricks that I put out, all the things that I give as value up front, right? I'm posting every single day, 3 times. I'm also getting into TikTok. I'm getting into bigger and more high profile circles, and I'm just hanging around with people who are bigger than me, getting better clients, and then those clients refer me to bigger clients. It's more than just a business model. It's more about selling yourself. Because if I just went up to people and I was like, hey, I'm Wojo Media and we do social media marketing, I wouldn't close as many people. But since I put this content out and since I'm on all these different channels and I'm in all these different, business circles with high profile people, high net worth individuals, I can sell them because of the network that I have. And they trust me, they see my content, they see the results, they see the client testimonials. The sale is made before they hop on the phone with me, because most of the time when I get on the phone with somebody, they're like, yo, is this actually Jason? What? I didn't even know you were gonna answer the phone. I thought I was gonna talk to a team member. People are actually surprised that I call them. And it's okay, that's pretty dope. And, I have people literally all around the world who enjoy my content, who, even though I'm very small in the grand scheme of things, but when you're putting out content, you look like a bigger authority and you're not just hiding behind some agency company logo. So, if you're an SMMA owner right now and you're really trying to scale, you have to branch off the personal brand. You have to be putting content out, hire a video editing team, start going on TikTok, start putting out value and tips for your prospects to take, and basically feed them on the journey until they're ready to take action and then buy from you, either as services or consulting or one-time jobs, whatever the case may be. You're gonna sell more people if you sell you. Stop selling a logo, stop selling services, stop selling bullshit retainers, and start selling you.